Good morning, this is Flylady Mentor Emma here. I thought I would show you what I do in my morning routine. So every morning I get up and before I leave the bedroom I make my bed. As you can see, I've probably told you, in fact I don't know if you can see, my husband sort of half makes his side of the bed every time he comes up here. Every time he gets out of it before me, which is kind of great. I always finish it off for him. But as you can see, it's super quick. I don't spend long on it. I'm trying to do that. Pick the TV remote up as I go. And then to this side. And as you can see, that takes me less than a minute to finish. Okay, and there it is, ready for the day. Okay, and then I head to the bathroom where I clean my teeth and wash my face and do all of that thing, and then I swish and swipe. So once I'm finished in the bathroom with things that I need to do for myself, I swish and swipe my sink. I just literally, it takes me just this few seconds that I'm talking to you to wipe the side down, and then to just wipe my toilet down. Grab my trusty brush. And give that a quick swish round. Now I always find it easier for me to do my shower and bath when I am in it in the evening, so I take care of that later on in the day. So I am dressed for the shoes, my hair is done, my makeup is done, and I've pulled together a load of laundry, so I'm now ready to head downstairs. Before I leave this room, I always just take a second to look around it, see if there's any trash in here, if there's a glass that we've had overnight, anything that may need to be removed. A born organised friend of mine said she always tries to leave her rooms as she wants to find them. So I always just kind of think, how do I want to find my room this evening when I come in to go to bed? So that just takes me less than a minute, and then I head downstairs with my load of laundry. So I've headed down to the kitchen, and my next jobs are to load my washer and unload my dishwasher. I am English, so I do have a washer in my kitchen, like lots of people here do. So I just get that straight on. It takes me again, it's just a few seconds, but it makes such a big difference to my day to have been able to do this right now, so that we don't have mouthwash more hanging about the house. Okay, so, and of course in England we mainly have front loading machines. And I know that sometimes they can get smelly, but as long as you wipe out the front regularly, you don't have a problem. Now my washer sings at me constantly because it lets me know when it started, and then when it's finished it plays me a happy little tune as well. So now I need to unload my dishwasher, which takes me a few seconds, maybe a minute or two. It is the job that for some reason takes most in the world. I don't know why that is, what it is that makes me dislike it so much, but if I can get out of it, I will always let someone else do it in our home. It's not a particularly don't have a huge kitchen, so it doesn't take me that long to do. From last night's dinner. A couple more. Unfortunately, you can't see it where I'm putting everything, but it's down to a kind of fine art now. I can do this kind of quickly. There is a degree of muscle memory, I think, when it comes to these things. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And if you're consistent with it, it only takes a couple of minutes every day. I have a glass that I bought from downstairs. It just goes straight in the dishwasher, along with this bowl that I decided as I walked past it today needed a bit of a wash. So once all that's done, I'm ready to go. It's time for me to have breakfast and sit and check my calendar. My laundry has about an hour to go, so that will sing at me at that point, and I'll switch it into the dryer. So I always have oats for breakfast. I'm really lazy. I have these sachets that you just stick in the microwave for 2 minutes. Anybody who is mentored by me, or maybe has even watched some of the live games that I host, will know that I'm a great one for using downtime. So this goes on for 2 minutes, and I could sit and just look over Facebook. I could just do nothing, contemplate my own existence. What I actually generally do is try and either go into my living room and just do a check in there if there's anything in there that got left behind by people who were up later than me last night, or sometimes I will swish and swipe my downstairs bathroom. I'm not going to do either of those things today because I'm talking to you, but generally that's what I would do as a starting point for this 2 minutes. I find by picking up those dead times, those little bits of time while I'm waiting for things to finish in the microwave, while something's just kind of not quite ready, or if I've got to be in an area because I'm cooking or whatever, but actually that saves me a lot of time, because those 2 minutes here and there, they make a big difference to what you can achieve. So my breakfast is ready. I'm sitting down to eat. At this point I will check my calendar to see what's going on today. I know that I have some parcels that I need to take to the post office, so that will be on my list of things to do today. Today is a mentoring day for me, so I check to see when my appointments are and what gaps I've got in between, so that I can plan the rest of my day in. Other than that, I don't have any thing to take me out of the house apart from the post office, and I do need to do a supermarket trip, so I will do that in between my sessions. I have a gap of about 2 hours, which is enough time for me to get all of that done. So I already kind of know that that's going to be how my day's going to look. Once I've eaten my breakfast, I'll take the opportunity to maybe do a little bit of study, to read my scriptures and spend a little bit of time just for me before the rest of my day carries on. By the time I've done all of those things, that will take me up to just about when my washing machine starts to sing at me, and you can rejoin me then to see the next part of my day or my morning routine. As you can hear, my washing machine sings at me when it's finished. So once that's done, I take my washing out of my washer and I put it into the dryer. At the same time as I'm doing that, I think about what's for dinner tonight. So tonight I know that we're having meatballs, and they are in the refrigerator ready for me to just make a tomato sauce and serve up. So I don't actually need to get anything out of the deep freeze. I know that I've got all of the ingredients together, but now would be a good time to check on that. So I take my laundry out to the dryer, and that's it. That's my morning routine done. So I have made my bed, swish and swiped in my bathroom, got dressed to the shoes, done my hair and makeup, unloaded my dishwasher, eaten my breakfast, done a load of laundry, and checked on my day to see what I need to get done today. And that's it. That's my morning routine in a nutshell. All in all, it takes me about 30 minutes, including eating breakfast and getting dressed and all of that. Obviously, I don't include the hour that it takes for the laundry to do, because I can be doing other things and I use that time for my own personal study. That's all it takes, 30 minutes in the morning, from the time you get up to the time you've finished eating breakfast, to have done your morning routine. It's simple and it makes such a difference to your day.